So we're going to do an estimation. Our estimation of 436 divided by 3. So if we quickly just take a look even at the tens and the ones place, looking at the number 36, we know 3 can go into 30 10 times, and it can go into 6 2 times. So quickly we know that that's 12. Now if we look at the other 400 left over, 400 divided by 3 is kind of a messy number. So let's reduce it to 300 divided by 3. We know that is an easy 100, which leaves us with 100 left. Now I don't want to work with 100, so let's work with 90 instead. That's a nicer number to work with. We know 3 can go into 9 3 times. So 3 can go into 90 30 times. If we add these numbers up, we get 100 plus 30 is 130, plus 12 is 142. So our estimation is 142, knowing that we did have some left over, so it's probably going to be a little bit higher than that. So we're going to now do the equation of 436 divided by 3 concretely. As you can see here, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 30, and 6 ones. Now I have 3 pieces of brightly colored pink paper that's going to represent our groups. So let's look at the 100s. We can easily put 100 in each one of our groups. That leaves us with 100 left over. So let's convert that 100, 10 tens. So now we have 13 tens. We can put each one of these into the groups. Each have 4 tens, and we have 1 10 left over. We can convert that 110 into 10 ones. So we have 10 ones plus 6, 16 ones. We can take maybe. Oh, and we have one little one left over. So we can see from our 3 groups, each group we have 100, 4 tens, and 5 ones. So 436 divided by 3 equals 145, with 1 remainder left. Now we're going to do 436 divided by 3 pictorially. So we get to draw it out. Let's draw 400s. So each square represents 100. Now each line represents a tens. So we have 10, 20, 30. And each dot will represent 1. So we have 3 dots, 436. Now we each divide it by 3. So we're going to draw 3 big circles as our groups. Looking at the 100s category here, we have 4 of them. So we can put 100 in each one of these groups. Now I'm going to use a different colored pen to eliminate the ones we've used up, so it's easier to see what's left over. We have 100 left. We can't divide 100 by 3. So let's convert it and convert the 100 into 10 tens. So we used that 100 up. Now we have 13 tens. 13 divided by 3 doesn't work. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So let's take 4 of these guys. So we have 4, 8, 12. Let's cross off the 12 that we used. So that's 10, 11, 12. We have 1 10 left. We now need to convert that 1 10 into 10 ones. Cross this one off. That leaves us with 16 ones. 16 divided by 3 doesn't work. Let's take it down 1. 15 divided by 3, that equals 5. So we can put 5 ones in each one of our 3 groups, and we'll cross off the 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ones that we used That leaves us with 1 left. We can't divide 1 into 3, so we have a remainder of 1. Now let's count up what number is in each one of our groups. We have 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 5. 145. So our answer is 145 with the remainder of 1. All right. Now I'm going to show you symbolically what I just did concretely and pictorially. So what I had was 436 divided by 3. We'll set it up. Now I had the 100s first, and I took one of the 100s and I put 1 100 in each of the 3 groups. So I eliminated 300 right off the bat. Then I converted the 1 100 I had left over into 10 10s, and I took 4 10s and I put each of those 4 10s in the 3 groups. So that was 12 of the 10s that I took, which left 1 10 left over, which I converted into 10 ones, plus the 6 ones that I had. Then I took 5 ones per group, so 15 ones altogether, which left me with 1 1 left. So I had 145 in each group, 1 100, 4 10s, 5 ones, which left me with a remainder of 1 left.